Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to solve problems of chapter 10 related to wave speed. So in this problem number 5, we are given that water waves with wavelength 2.8 meter produced in ripple tank travel with a speed of 3.80 meter per second. What is the frequency of straight vibrator that produces them? So in the given data, we are given the wavelength, which is 2.8 meter, and speed of the wave, which is 3.80 meter. The required data is that we have to calculate the frequency for the respective wave. So I will write here the heading, that is given data. First, in given data, I will write wavelength, and this wavelength is represented by Greek letter lambda, so its value is 2.8 meter. Similarly, the next data which we are going to put in here is speed of the wave. So speed of the wave we will represent it by v, and which is having value of 3.80 meter per second. Now in required data, I will put the frequency. So the required data frequency is denoted by small f, and it has to be calculated. So I will write a sign of interrogation with it. Now solution plus formula. So I will use universal wave equation. So using universal wave equation, whose general form is v is equal to f lambda. So this is our equation which we have to calculate the frequency from. Now I have to find frequency, so I will have to eliminate lambda from here. So dividing both sides of this equation by lambda, we will have frequency. So dividing both sides of, let's say this is equation 1, of equation 1 by lambda. So v divided by lambda will equal to f lambda divided by lambda. Lambda will cancel with lambda, so I will write this equation as v by lambda equal to f. I wrote the frequency term at left side and this side to the right side. So now putting the values, f has to be calculated. The value of v is 2.8 meter, and divided by value of v. Value of v is 3.80. Value of v is 3.80 divided by value of lambda, which is 2.80. So f is equal to, by dividing 3.80 by 2.8, we will get the answer as 1.35, but by rounding off, we will get that frequency is equal to 1.4, and the unit of frequency is hertz. I have to round it off because the answer in the book is 1.4, while by calculation it becomes 1.35. So by applying rounding off rules, that is when the last digit is 5 and the preceding number is odd number, so we will drop 5 and add 1 to the next number, so it will become 1.4 hertz. So this is the required answer for problem 5. Now we are going to solve problem 6. So in problem 6, we are given that the distance between successive crusts in a series of water wave is 4 meter, and the crust traveled 9 meter in 4.5 seconds. What is the frequency of the wave? So to understand the data from this problem, we will first draw a diagram for a sinusoidal wave. Let's consider we have a transverse wave in this form. So the vibrating particle on the mean position, let's say it is in maximum amplitude and for upward direction is this one. So this is known as the crust of the wave. This is the second crust, and we are given that the distance between two successive crusts. So this is the distance that is given in the problem, and the distance between two successive crusts is known as the wavelength of the wave. So in terms of distance, this is the wavelength of the wave. So in the given data, I will write wavelength lambda equal to 4 meter, and the crust traveled 9 meter distance in 4.5 seconds. So it covers a distance of 9 meter, and taking time t 4.5 seconds. So I will write distance traveled will be denoted by s, and its value is 9 meter, while the time taken to cover this distance is time denoted by small t is 4.5 seconds, and we have to calculate the frequency of the wave. In required data, I will write frequency denoted by f. But when we are going to find frequency, so here the other variable which we need to solve this equation by universal wave equation is that v, speed of the wave. So the speed of the wave is also not given, so I will have to find speed also. So speed v will be also in required data, but first we will have to solve the equation for finding speed, and then we will use it to find frequency. So solution plus formula. Here I will use the equation for speed by definition. Speed v is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. So v is equal to distance, the value for distance is 9 meter, and divided by the value for time is 4.5 seconds. Dividing 9 by 4.5 seconds, it will give 2 meter per second, the answer for speed. And now using universal wave equation, which is v is equal to f lambda, so we will have to find frequency from this equation. Let's say this is equation A. So by eliminating the lambda from here, we will divide both sides by lambda. Dividing both sides by lambda, so it will give as v by lambda equal to f lambda divided by lambda. These both will cancel with each other, while frequency will become v divided by lambda. Putting the values, so frequency will be equal to v. Value of v is 2 divided by value of lambda is 4 meter. So when we simplify it, so it will become 1 by 2, and dividing 1 by 2 we will get frequency as 0.5, and unit of frequency is hertz. So this is our required answer for the problem number 6, and that's enough for today. Thanks.